What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a quick little day trade recap. Traded two stocks today, but it's not looking too good. Check it out. Alright guys, so before we get into this, I have two trades, both of them recorded here for you. One is a new play for the day, and the other one was looking for continuation from Friday. I didn't get to trade it on Friday. But I do have a couple live trades here to go over with you. Unfortunately, it's one loser and one winner, but the winner is very small. Regardless, it's just a small red day. It's nothing out of this world, a little bit over $100. So, you know, it's still within my realm of normalcy. So we have, as I get this for you, CLVS is my first trade. Do me that quick favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We are fast approaching the 2,000 subscriber mark. I mean, if you guys remember, we just did a raffle for reaching 1,000 the other day because that was my goal for the year. And out of nowhere, we've just doubled in size tremendously, which makes next year's goal much more obtainable. And I might even have to adjust that depending how we close out this year. So thank you very much for smashing that subscribe button. Really helps me out a long way. You have no idea, but I'm really thankful. So as we do get to work here, let's take a look at CLVS. See, CLVS was a play I was eyeing for continuation from Friday. Let me show you the daily on Friday. If I can get my mouse, here we go. So check out this play on Friday. It made a real nice move from a low of $4.28 or so all the way to a high of over $6. That is one real nice move on a huge increase in volume. Now that I look at it here, every single time I miss a stock, kind of gives me the bird in its volume profile. Thank you very much, CLVS. You really did do that today to me on what I considered a real good quality setup. So here we have CLVS right at the open. You know, we had this quick push, dropped, it held this low, and then from there it just boom, it just pushed real high. Volume started to increase, as you see here. Volume started to increase, and then we started to form this flag formation, okay, this bull flag right here. Now this bull flag was being formed over 620. And let me show you what that area looks like on the daily. Right here, the high is 621, 624 or so on Friday's candle. So we were flagging above or in the area of Friday's high. Plus we had the 90 MA, which we were flagging above on, which was right here at 610. Plus we had VWAP right here holding support. So we were flagging above all of that. We had the previous trading day's high, we had VWAP, and we had 90 MA. Three, okay, not one, but three support areas that were holding up, and we had exactly the type of volume profile we want to see. The big push, big volume on the way up, the flag consolidation, decreasing volume. So I said, you know, this is a good setup, and it's very low risk. So I jumped in there at 625 and in the flag with my stop just underneath the 90 MA. Now this is a very short-lived trade. It's only a minute. But we'll go ahead and fast forward just a tad. We get that action there, and it was really concerning. Really concerning. But it pops right back up a little bit. And then it doesn't. And then we kind of like close right there at VWAP, and this next candle holds it. So I'm like, okay, well, that's good. That's not bad. Volume is still in my favor. It's not drastic selling volume. You know, these volume bars are... they're okay, they're adequate. I mean, I'd like to see them a little bit smaller, but they're not bad. So I'm thinking, all right, let's get this 90 MA to creep up here, and let's push, go to $7. You know, that was my idea. I mean, I have 700 shares from 625, very small risk. I'm risking like 15 cents for the shot at, you know, making 70 cents easily. But then it's just like the volume just dried up, and we get that nasty action right there. Boom, I get stopped out. Instantly lose like 100 and change. Then we have TRNX. We have TRNX make this real nice clean move on huge volume. Can you see that volume? Yes, you can. Huge volume from, you know, $2, just under $2, about $1.90, all the way up here to $2.45. Now we're holding the 90 MA VWAP and this 220 area. So I'm thinking, okay, we're consolidating, we're decreasing the volume, all the signs I like to see. I only have myself here 2 support, you know, indicators, but it's the only stock that's currently moving and holding up. It has people's attention. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. So I jump into 25, 1,000 shares. And what I'm thinking here is we're going to get ourselves a move up to at least 250, you know, drop some and hold some more, looking for the push to like $2.80, $3. So that was my plan. Now this one's a little bit longer of a trade, so we'll go ahead and fast forward right here. We're holding that area, so I'm very confident. The volume isn't bad. We start to pop off of that area right there, and we kind of like just stall right there in front of this. I was like, well, I'm red on the day. Let me take some profit off. So right there in front of this right here, this little pivot at 235, I take half off right there. So nice little 10-cent win. Nothing to write home about, but brings the red day down some. So that's good. Then I'm thinking, okay, now we should really start to just go. We should really start to go. 240, I add back. 240 right here is a resistance area on the daily from August. I'll show you that real quick. Come on, here we go. So, well, this is September. No, I'm sorry. Here we go. Where's August? There it is. So August 26th, we had this high right here in the 240s. Okay. And then this was the next, you know, spot right here, which is in September, right at 280, which today's high is, if I'm not mistaken, what, 278, 271, 272. So I'm thinking, okay, you know, we're going to break through this area. Let me add back some. So I add back 200 shares, nothing huge, just another 200. So instead of having 500, now I'm back to 700. I had 1,000. And I'm thinking, okay, we're going to go. We're going to break over 240 and go, but we don't. And when we get that action right there, I just stop out of it at 230. So I make like 2 cents on those 700 shares I had. And that was it. That was my trade. And I just thought we were going to fade it. As you can tell, you know, we're experiencing a lot of resistance there, and the volume is increasing every time we hit that resistance point. So, you know, more people are jumping in short there. But hey, the stock had other plans. It was a little choppy. It finally pushed through 250, took it back, and then it went. Name of the game, real nice volume on that push through 250, which was the previous high right here in front of this area, 245. I'm red on the day. It's bound to happen. It's got to happen. It's just the name of the game. I'm looking forward to tomorrow or maybe even later this afternoon. Unsure. I'm going to keep my eyes on everything. I've closed out my broker, but I will keep my eyes on everything here and see if there's going to be another setup. It seems TRNX wants to hold this 240 area, but we're fastly approaching lunchtime, so no position for me. I will be watching. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.